Hello friends, today is a beautiful day, birthday of Kavi Rabindranath Tagore. Today I am going to talk a little about why we remember Rabindranath Tagore. What is so great about Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath died in the year 1941. Down the line, how many years gone? 79 years, right? Till we are recalling. Shakespeare died when? 1616. How many years? You minus from 2020. More than 400 years. If you really analyze the history of literature, it is so big, so vast. But till we remember, recall those great poets, great writers, they are timeless. They are living inside our blood, generation after generation. If you really see the impact of Shakespeare in English literature and impact of Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali literature, it's like genetic. There are a lot of poets, they are keep on writing the way Tagore used to write and used to describe about nature, life, love, whatever circumstances you see around and you write. There are so many poets. After Rabindranath Tagore has written so many things. Subhash Mukhopadhyay, Shakti Chattopadhyay, Joy Goswami. There are many. Just keep on telling those names like. But till we love Rabindranath Tagore. During independence time, there are great poets like Kavi Shokanta Bhattacharya, Kazi Nazrul Islam. Before that, Michael Madhusudan Datta. There are n number of poets. They have impacted a lot and they have got relevance today. But why this young generation is too much fascinated towards Rabindranath Tagore? Or if you see English literature, after Shakespeare, you have W.B. Yeats, Shelley, Keats, Byron, Wordsworth. There are many. But till Shakespeare is the Bible of poetry. Till Rabindranath Tagore is the Bible of poetry. Because it talks about life, journey, the reality, everything. To be very honest, if you allow me to say that all Bengalis, they are carrying a gene called Tagore gene. If you really talk against Rabindranath Tagore, they will be very violent. Because you cannot and not supposed to talk against Rabindranath Tagore. but it hurts them. It's good. Similar way, Shakespeare also. In English literature, you try to criticize Shakespeare, you will be in trouble. So friends, my objective is to tell you to write a good poetry, why they are relevant till after so many years. The way you recall Swami Vivekananda, Subhash Chandra Bose, you find they are more relevant in today's time because they are your ideals. You are not finding somebody in present day who you can follow really. That is the problem. It's a gap, it's a crisis. So let me talk few lines about Shakespeare. Many people have read Shakespeare in many ways. My understanding of Shakespeare is something like that. His choice of word is very, very important. His selection of words, it's like a building blocks, both in Tagore or Shakespeare. The entropy value of each poetry is so immense, you cannot edit or delete a single word. Like you are taking out, if you are taking out one brick from one wall, it might collapse. So editing is not possible. That's why whoever has written their poetries in their respective language, it is very difficult to translate from his or her mother language to another language. The essence of the poetry will be lost once you translate it. So I am talking about the entropy value. To write a good poetry, the choice of words, selection of words is very important and essential. That's why those poetries are timeless poetry. Maybe after 100, 200 years also, new generation is going to recite those poetry. Tagore got Nobel Prize in 1913, right? How many years passed? 106, 7 years it has gone down the line. Not a single poet in literature from India has got Nobel Prize further, right? If I am not wrong. So friends, I am going to recite one of the shortest poetry of Shakespeare. He talks about life, time, space and everything. He has written all the world is a stage, all the men and women mere players, they have their exist and entrance. Such a small poetry. It's a timeless poetry, right? It's a simple word, the choice of word, everything is very, very simple. Now I am going to recite one of the poetry from Tagore. Who has written many poetries, many timeless poetries on love, nature, journey of life, everything. So let me recite this poetry, then I'll try to correlate this two poetries, this 2-3 lines poetry of Shakespeare and Tagore, Hothat Dekha poetry. Then I'll try to find out some conclusion out of it. Just let me recite this poetry. Hothat Dekha. রেলগাড়ির কামরায় হঠাৎ দেখা, ভাবিনি সম্ভব হবে কোনোদিন। আগে ওকে বারবার দেখেছি লাল রঙের শাড়িতে, ডালিম ফুলের মতো রঙা। আজ পরেছে কালো রেশমের কাপড়, আঁচল তুলেছে মাথায়, দোলন চাপার মতো চিকন গৌর মুখখানি ঘিরে। মনে হলো কালো রঙে একটা গভীর দূরত্ব বানিয়ে নিয়েছে নিজের চারদিকে, যে দূরত্ব সর্ষে ক্ষেতের শেষ সীমানায়, শালবনের নীলাঞ্জনে। থমকে গেল আমার সমস্ত মনটা। চেনা লোককে দেখলাম অচেনার গাম্ভীর্যে। হঠাৎ খবরের কাগজ ফেলে দিয়ে আমাকে করলে নমস্কার। সমাজবিধির পথ গেল খুলে, আলাপ করলেম শুরু, কেমন আছো, কেমন চলছে সংসার ইত্যাদি। সে রইল জানালার বাইরের দিকে চেয়ে, যেন কাছের দিনের ছোঁয়াচ পার হওয়া। চাহনিতে দিলে অত্যন্ত ছোট দুটো একটা জবাব, কোনোটা বা দিলেই না। বুঝিয়ে দিলে হাতের অস্থিরতায় কেন এসব কথা। তার চেয়ে অনেক ভালো চুপ করে থাকা। আমি ছিলাম অন্য বেঞ্চিতে ওর সাথীদের সঙ্গে। এক সময় আঙুল নেড়ে জানালে কাছে আসতে। মনে হলো সাহস কম নয়। বসলুম ওর এক বেঞ্চিতে। গাড়ির আওয়াজের আড়ালে বললে মৃদুস্বরে, কিছু মনে করো না। সময় কোথা সময় নষ্ট করবার? আমাকে নামতে হবে পরের স্টেশনেই। দূরে যাবে তুমি, দেখা হবে না আর কোনো দিনই। তাই যে প্রশ্নটার জবাব এতকাল থেমে আছে শুনবো তোমার মুখে, সত্য করে বলবে তো? আমি বললাম, বলবো। বাইরের আকাশের দিকে তাকিয়েই শুধলো, আমাদের গেছে যে দিন একেবারেই কি গেছে, কিছুই কি নেই বাকি। একটুকু রইলেম চুপ করে, তারপর বললেম, রাতের সব তারাই আছে দিনের আলোর গভীরে। খটকা লাগলো, কি জানি বানিয়ে বললেম নাকি। ও বললে, থাক, এখন যাও ওদিকে। সবাই নেমে গেল পরের স্টেশনে, আমি চললেম একা।